Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up the Pomodoro method in Clockify for tracking focus time. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up the Pomodoro method in Clockify, begin by logging into your Clockify account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to implement the Pomodoro technique. Click on the Projects tab located in the left sidebar. Create a new project by clicking the New Project button. Name your project to reflect the task you intend to focus on, such as Pomodoro focus sessions. Next, adjust the project settings to fit the Pomodoro method. Set the project as private or public, based on whether you want to share it with a team. Now, click on the Tools tab in the left sidebar. Select Pomodoro Timer from the list of available tools. In the Pomodoro Timer settings, you will find the option to set your work interval. Typically, the standard Pomodoro interval is 25 minutes. Adjust this timer accordingly, if needed. Next, set your short break time, which usually lasts for 5 minutes. You can also set a long break time, generally after every 4 Pomodoros. This long break is usually around 15 to 30 minutes. Once you've finished adjusting the timer settings, click Save to apply them. Now, return to your main dashboard to start a Pomodoro session. To begin, select your Pomodoro project and click the Start button on the timer. Focus on your task for the duration of the set interval without distractions. When the timer ends, take a short break to recharge. After your short break, return to the task and continue with the next Pomodoro. Repeat this process until you complete the desired number of sessions. Finally, at the end of the day, review your time entries in Clockify to see how effectively you tracked your focus time. This method not only boosts productivity but also helps maintain a healthy work-life balance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.